Welcome. My name is Dafna, and today I would like to ask you what would support you at the moment. As our world goes through many changes, maintaining our balance and finding a grounded inner fortitude is not a luxury, but rather a necessity. There is a way for us to remain centered and avoid spinning in the world's noise. Through practices and tools, we can find a way to navigate life with grace, peace, and even joy. I call this the beauty way. My name is Dafna. As a lifelong student of the mystery, I am passionate about living an empowered, conscious life and inspiring others. For those of you that are more scientific, I am a science geek as well. As registered clinical counseling hypnotherapist, trained by Brian Weiss in past life regression, as well as a Reiki master, amongst other studies such as astrology, numerology, neuroscience, nutrition, and more. I worked in the non-for-profit for years with addictions, abuse and neglect, mental issues, some of the darkest of human sufferings. What I am sharing, for the sake of clarity, is that I have worked and work with the shadow and the light. Life is an embodied journey. The way to move through any challenges and discomfort is through. I have a lot of compassion for humanity. I understand the complexity of our psyche in profound ways. And I know we are able to rise above the darkest of life and choose to create a life from a loving, empowered, and inspired space. Humans are incredible creators. We can alchemize anything we face in life. It may be messy, as life is, and it's a rich, well worth journey to undertake. Living life in its fullness and relinquishing fearing anything is a brave journey. Life is humbling at times, and it takes courage to keep rising and moving through the tough times. And the sun always rises again. The strongest power we possess is found in our heart. It is the medicine of our times to deeply connect and live from the heart as our true north. Let me stop here as I want to focus on the purpose of this recording. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. What would support your journey right now? What meditation, hypnosis journey topics would be valuable, as well as topics that I can speak to and share about, such as manifestation, forgiveness, connecting with your guides, tuning into your purpose, heart resonance, anger, grief, releasing the hold of the past, tools to maintain equilibrium, how to move in the world as an empath, boundaries, the body's messaging system and how to care for it, how to live in gratitude, how to deal with challenging people, how to build confidence and self-esteem, alchemy, the current energies and how to navigate them, the solar flares, geomagnetic activities, the earth pole shifting, overcoming anxiety, reclaiming passion for life, tools for overwhelm, finding joy amidst external difficulties, and so much more. As you can see, some subject matters are more on the physical plane, while others are more metaphysical, as we are both dealing with the mundane in life as well as the profound. We are both human as well as souls. When we tend to all of our being, we feel much deeper sense of belonging, and we honor the gift of our amazing design and the wholeness of our rainbow. Thank you for listening. I appreciate your input, your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. I'm grateful that you visit here. Enjoy the dance of today.